ब्यूटीफुल डे विद फरजान अली एट वन ऑन इनक्रेडिबल वुमेन प्लेटफॉर्म। आज हमारे साथ हैं सईदा ज़ैनब अब्बास। शी इज़ फाउंडर ऑफ जी इवेंट्स, सोशल एक्टिविस्ट एंड मनी मोर। ज़ैनब, वेलकम टू वन ऑन इनक्रेडिबल वुमेन प्लेटफॉर्म।
Thank you so much. My pleasure to be here.
ज़ैनब, आज का डिस्कशन हम स्टार्ट करेंगे विद योर पर्सनल प्रोफाइल।
Yeah, sure, Fazana. I am basically now running a business for the marketing as a marketing consultancy. I am providing my traditional and digital marketing consultancy services to the small businesses and new entrepreneurs, especially those youngsters who are into the very new into the fields. And plus, also I am into the event planning, and I'm working as an event planner and as a service and offering my services to the especially to highlight the females or to the those unskilled or those skilled females who are having their skills but not particularly the degree holders, or but they have somehow their own skills and their own paradigms. They want to explore them, they want to expose them to the people. So I'm my best is to try I'm trying my best to promote them.
Well,
as event planner,
as you said, so you're doing a lot. You're even working for the women as well.
Yeah.
But before coming up to all these things, your Z events and your social cause and for the women, whatsoever you're doing, before that you have a good time in corporate sector you have spent. So how this journey was possible from being a very a renowned, I would say, corporate person and then coming into the your own business? How did you switch over from job to business, because it does not easy, it does not
yes, absolutely. It is really not an easy task. It is really not an easy decision as well. I must say that. But keeping in view the different circumstances and the parameters around regarding the economy, regarding your personal or social factors, it was quite that moment. It was quite into kind of those situation that I was into the thinking process that I should start something on my own passion, and then that the moment I explored and discovered in my own feelings that yes, I can do much more better into the event marketing or much more better into the marketing consultancies, where the new era is going towards the the all things are going to be virtually connected with each other. So it was a better opportunity for me as well, and for the I can pursue that. I can foresee that a lot of other opportunities I can create for the other ladies in this field.
Zainab, जब हम marketing की बात करते हैं, so you're helping in social media or what?
Social media and digital media, the all digital platforms, especially Facebook, Insta, YouTube, and web development. My team is working on these 4 to 5 platforms socially.
That's well. Okay, Zainab, let's talk about Z events. Okay,
Yeah.
So it's a very attractive name, Z events. आपने अभी तक क्या accomplish किया? आपने कितने events किए? आपके events में क्या speciality है जो आपको दूसरों में नहीं मिलती? आपका business contact information क्या है? Can we share all this?
Yeah, Farzana, initially I started this about 2 years back in 2018 or 2018 end or by the 2019 in the beginning. But due to the COVID, it was unfortunate for the all event planners that के चीज़ें कुछ ऐसी थी जो socially networking को bound कर रही थी. तो अभी तक I have been conducted about 2 to 3 small scale events, plus 2 events were on the larger scale. I have been engaged with the government company as well for their festival, for their especially spring festivals. That moment it was stopped because of the COVID situation now, but again in the mid-March I'm going to again conduct them, especially the interior exhibitions and the social and the cultural and festival exhibitions.
Where do you see yourself down the road in next 5 years?
I cannot categorically predict,
what
but
your bigger objectives are, which Zainab is going to achieve sooner or later?
yeah, my bigger objective, my passion or my dream is to just to empower the females or empower the women who are actually into the struggling period. I am also trying my best to highlight them as a host on another social media network, but within the coming 5 years, through my event planning services or through my marketing planning services, I just want them to be more empowered as much as I can do, and there are a lot of females who are into the who are into the struggle to learn something more better and to have the better platform So if you ask me about next 5 year plan, so I must say that कि मैं इंशाल्लाह 5 सालों के अंदर कुछ ना कुछ एक ऐसा डिफरेंट काम जो है वो थ्रू इवेंट प्लानिंग करना चाह रही हूँ कि वो सब फीमेल जो जॉब प्लेसमेंट के लिए अभी इंतज़ार में हैं, दे मस्ट हैव समथिंग इन देयर ओन हैंड.
Well, we are praying for you कि आप अपने dreams को achieve कर सकें. Zainab, since you are working for the women as well, okay, and you're true, I would say, supporter of women empowerment. So, what steps would you recommend to empower the women, and what sort of work you're doing for the women?
Yeah, I must say, suggest to all the ladies or the youngsters, अभी क्योंकि कुछ हम लोग सब बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम ये करते हैं, हम एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स पे रिलाई कर देते हैं, बट आई रिकमेंड द ऑल लेडीज़ और द फीमेल्स और द वुमेन जो कि कुछ अपने पास कोई भी लर्निंग स्किल रखती हैं या अभी स्किल उनके पास नहीं है, दे शुड मस्ट गेट इनटू दोज थिंग्स जहाँ पे वो कोई अपने आप में कोई स्किल डेवलप कर सकें. देखिए, हम हर दफ़ा एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स पे ब्लेम नहीं कर सकते, तो हर लेडी, हर पर्सन, हर लड़की, दे हैव समथिंग वेरी डिफरेंट इन देयर ओन सेल्फ. दे जस्ट नीड टू एक्सप्लोर themselves and they just need
Yes,
to
but sometimes,
learn something.
Sometimes what happens, Zainab, you just pass your life and you don't explore what you are. So how you're helping them to explore themselves?
Yeah. आई जस्ट से कि अगर उनको मेरे इवेंट प्लानिंग की सर्विसेज से अगर उनके पास कोई भी स्किल्स ऐसी हैं जो कि वो अभी प्रॉपरली प्रोफेशनली लर्न नहीं कर सकी हैं, तो अभी गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से और बहुत सारे दूसरे प्राइवेट सेक्टर्स की तरफ से ऐसे कोर्सेज अपलोड हो रहे हैं जो कि फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट हैं. तो उन तमाम लड़कियों को, उन लेडीज़ को, दे शुड लर्न देम those courses. They should get enroll themselves into those courses, and I will be the connected part. I would be helping over there कि मेरा ज़्यादा फोकस अंडर डेवलप्ड एरियाज़ में है और ज़्यादा फोकस उन लड़कियों पे है जो कि ज़्यादा मतलब क्वालिफाइड नहीं हैं और डिग्री होल्डर्स नहीं हैं, बट दे आर हैविंग somehow very enthusiastic passion in themselves, and they need somehow female lady support with themselves. So I would be there as a moral support, and I would be there for them as a connecting network.
All right, so far, any toughest decision of your life, any difficult decision of your life that you have taken?
Fasana, there was a time when I was not so up to date or not so well physically, और health conditions कुछ ऐसी आ जाती हैं या problems आ जाते हैं आपके socially कह लें, morally कह लें. That moment it was a very tough time for me to take a decision that either I should start on my own, either I have to give another chance to myself or not. But at the moment my strong will was there to motivate myself. So मेरा अपना ज़ाती ख्याल भी यही है कि आपके अंदर जो स्ट्रॉन्ग विल होती है वो आपको टफेस्ट टाइम के अंदर भी एक मॉरल मोटिवेशन का फैक्टर बनती है, दैट यू हैव टू टेक द डिसीजन. एंड अल्टीमेटली एवरी डिसीजन हैज़ प्रोज एंड कॉन्स एंड द रिस्क. अनलेस until you won't have any risk, you won't have any successful road to or the journey.
So Zainab, would you like to share your business contact information with the women?
Yeah, sure. Whoever wants to connect us for the event planning or for the digital marketing services as well, you may contact us on the Garnet Consultancy on the Facebook, on the Insta, and also the garnetconsultancy.com. We are available on the website as well. Plus, for the event planning services, you can contact us on the Z Events from the Facebook and Insta as well.
Thank you very much, Zainab. It was a beautiful conversation with you today. It was a great pleasure to have you.
Thank you so much. It was so pleasure to me, for me as well. Thank you.